This isn't just a remote control car. This is a legend reborn. Meet the Traxxas 240 Nissan 240SX. And trust me, once you see it move, you won't look away. The S13 Nissan 240SX owned the streets for a reason. That iconic drift silhouette, that unmistakable presence. Traxxas didn't just slap a body on a chassis. They recreated the 240SX in stunning 1/10 scale detail built on the legendary PureRtech 2.0 platform. Classic styling? Nailed. Street cred? Instant. But looks are just the beginning. Under that sleek shell is Velineon 3S brushless power. Real performance, not a toy motor. We're talking all-wheel drive grip that launches you off the line and a top speed over 50 miles per hour. 50+ miles per hour. On a 3-cell iLipo battery, this thing doesn't cruise, it hunts asphalt. Picture this, you twist the throttle, all 4 wheels bite the pavement, and suddenly you're not just watching a car, you're piloting a piece of drift culture at full send. Owners are calling it one of the most thrilling all-wheel drive RC experiences on the market. Smooth handling, explosive acceleration, head-turning looks. This is what happens when nostalgia meets modern engineering. Most RC cars make you choose style or speed. The PureRtech 2.0 240SX says, why not both? The all-wheel drive PureRtech chassis gives you control other RC platforms can't touch, while that Velineon brushless system delivers the kind of raw power that turns heads at the park, in the driveway, anywhere you run it. Classic Nissan styling, all-wheel drive performance, brushless speed over 50 miles per hour. This is the RC car that street car fans and speed junkies both agree on. And that almost never happens. The Traxxas PureRtech 2.0 Nissan 240SX. Links below. Don't just watch the legend, drive it. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.